Hi students, I am Dr. Badrinath. Today's video is a IDDS, Implanted Drug Delivery System. In short form, we are calling as a IDDS. See the beautiful, nice image. So implant means keeping inside. That point you have to keep in your mind. In general language, in our usual language, implant. See how this person keeping the paddy plants inside the earth. He will keeping inside the earth. Digging. He is digging and keeping inside the earth. Okay. Paddy plants. Okay. Almost entire plant you cannot see after digging. Okay. So in the same fashion, some of the devices in our body, the doctors will do small surgery, and the device you can see here. This is a device. See my pointer here. See my cursor here. Small device which is having a drug device. With the help of a cannula and a device holder, they will keep inside. This is a skin. They will keep inside. So it remains in the body for a months together, days together, months together, years together, like that. Implantation means nothing but keeping inside. Here he is keeping the plant inside the earth. Here he is keeping the plant, okay, inside the body, inside the skin. So here you can see the definition. Implant means implants are the small, triple S, small, very small, not big, small, sterile, because directly you are going to keep inside the body. That's why it must be sterile, free from organisms, and it is a solid substances. Okay, small, yes, small, sterile, solid mass consisting of a highly purified drug inside. Okay, either with or without excipients or with or without occupants, and it prepared by a compression or molding or extrusion, whatever it may be, and meant for implant inside a human body or animal body or a biological system. Okay, that is called a implant. Implanted drug delivery system, that is a definition. Here you can see one more definition. It is a type of drug delivery system which provides a controlled delivery of a drug over a period of time at the site of implant, where you have implanted. From there the drug will be delivered, okay, like that, for days together. That is called a implanted drug delivery devices. Here you can see a very small, the real pictures of the small, just like a rice seed. Rice, just like a small rice seed. It looks like very small size. You compare with the thumb. You compare with the your finger. Okay, you can be handled with the small fingers, like just like small buttons. Okay, like insulin pump is a very wonderful example here. Insulin pump, which is having an insulin. The doctors will do small surgery. They will keep a insulin pump inside the body or inside the some tissues. So it releases, keep on releasing the insulin. Okay, for type 2 diabetes. And this is my mobile app. I am providing all the notes here. Slowly, one by one, all the subjects I am going to be upload in my mobile app. You can be download it from the Google Play Store. Open the app, Pharmatrix for exams, and go to the store option. In the store option, I have providing all the notes, all the courses like B.Pharmacy, Pharm.D, M.Pharmacy. If you click on that, you will get all the subject wise. This is about my YouTube channel. Go to the playlist. In the playlist, I have kept all videos subject wise. Okay, subject wise videos. If you click on the subject, again you will get a chapter wise. Okay, topic wise you will get. Like that, I have arranged it very nicely. This is your syllabus. So we are going to be complete this highlighted topic, implantable drug delivery system. Introduction, advantages, disadvantages, concept of implanted osmotic pump. These topics we are going to be complete in this video. Yeah, we see the introduction. I have already told you. Implants are intended for implantation into the body. Okay. For the purpose of providing a continuous release of the drug. 24 hours drug will be released slowly from the device. Okay, over a long period of a time, it may be a month or it may be years together. And implants are administered by means of suitable special injector or surgical incision. Small surgery they will do. Okay. These are developed with a view to transmit a drug and fluids in the body to stream without the repeated insertion of the needle. See, insulin, daily insulin injection is repeated insertion of the insulin. It is a very painful. That's why the doctors will put, they'll do surgery and they'll put a insulin pump inside the body. One time only, one time surgery. Need not to be taken repeated insertion of the needle. It's daily one, morning one and evening one insulin dose. Insulin. So need not to be like that. Insulin pump once you can put inside the body. That's it. Like this. So generally drugs we are, which drugs we are using for this purpose? Insulin, steroids, antibiotics, analgesics, all these things we are going to do. And advantages in syllabus they have mentioned. Delivery within the therapeutic window, constant release you will get. So it will be there in the therapeutic range that we know, maximum toxic safety dose and minimum effective concentration. Between that therapeutic range will be there. In the therapeutic range only, the entire drug will be released continuously, and it avoids a sudden increase in the peaks, sudden high concentration of a drug and sudden low concentration of a drug. These can be avoided, so that automatically you will get a constant delivery. Enhanced drug safety will be there because it doesn't go to the toxic zone. Okay, minimized side effects. Side effects is also less. Termination of therapy is also possible. Whenever you don't want the device, just the doctors will remove with the help of a little surgery, minor surgery. Doctor will remove so you can terminate the therapy. Patient compliance is more. That is also one of the thing. And disadvantages. When you come to the disadvantages, it requires the surgery. Some patients they are not ready for this type of surgery. Okay, surgery related complications like a pain, small local anesthesia, all these are some of the disadvantages. Implantation procedure is difficult in case of larger implant. If your device is a large, it will be a difficult because you need a much more hole and you have to keep inside. That's why. And there will be always reaction between the host, that is a person, patient and implant. Inside the body always there was a reaction. And sometimes what happened, chances of the device rejection by immune system, our body, patient's body immune system will not accept the device, will try to reject it. So that's why in such a cases you need to take again immunosuppressants. Again, daily oral tablets you have to be taking immunosuppressants. And if the device design is not proper, if design should be very good. If design is not proper, what happens? There will be a high release. It leads to drug toxicity. And sometimes if device is not properly designed, there is a low release of the drug. It leads to therapeutic failure also chances. And now we will see concept of implanted osmotic pump. Last one, osmotic pump. What is this osmosis? That we know very well. Movement of the water from low concentration to high concentration region through the semi-permeable membrane in order to dilute this. Okay, so there is a movement will be there. This is called a osmosis. Here you can see osmosis, and this pressure, how much we are we can observe the pressure here, that is called a osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is a colligative property, very important in physical pharmaceutics. Okay, so this system can be used for the route of administration, oral and parenteral. That is a yeah. Here you can see principles of implantable osmotic pump. There is a two types are there. I will tell you what is an implantable osmotic pump. This is a principle, basic principle, very simple, very simple. Okay, don't get confusion by seeing the diagram. I provided a very simple diagram. See, whenever you keep this device inside a body, there will be a water influx. See, our body consists of water. That water will enter here, it enters here. So here the drug molecules will be there. And also osmotically active osmotic agent also there. See, this is osmotically active agent, this color. And these are the drug molecules. So what happened, just like a common salt, this salt will absorb the water from our body and it starts swelling. Whenever it is a swelling due to the pressure, the drug molecules will be delivered slowly inside the body. This is the main basic mechanism. There will be drug molecules, there will be osmotic agent, that's it. Our body consists of a water always inside, that we know very well. That's it. So this is there will be small orifice will be there. This orifice they will made with the help of a laser rays. Okay, for each and every device they will make a hole with the help of a laser rays. Okay, this is so osmotic agent salt is present inside the formulation. Body water flows inside like this, and the drug will be flow out from the formulation into the body slowly, not within 1 day or 2 days, slowly for a days together, small drug. And this is about the drug release kinetics, water influx. See, water influx into the formulation, okay, into the formulation. And so accordingly, there will be a drug will be come outside. So water influx is equal to drug outflux. Influx, outflux. Okay, water will be influx the device. Outflux, drug will be outflux from the device. Both are same almost. See, dV by dt is nothing but. So how much rate of the flow of a water inside a formulation, same rate you can be observe the release of a drug. So dV by dt, water influx. dm by dt is nothing but a rate of drug delivery. Both are directly proportional. And classification of osmotic pumps. There is a two types of osmotic pumps are there. Implantable, which is implanted inside the body. This is only our topic. Rose Nelson, Higuch Leeper, Higuch theeuwes. Okay, Higuch theeuwes. And oral, this is taken orally. This is not our topic. This comes in the another subject, under the another chapter. Okay, this is due to the surgery. Implantable. This is oral. Okay, like this. So we will cover only the three types. Rose Nelson, rose. See here, rose flower. This is the first osmotic pump developed by the first osmotic pump developed in 1955 for the delivery of a drug in the sheep cattle gut. Okay, composed of 3 chambers. 3 chambers will be there. Rose is having a 3 chamber. Rose Nelson. One is water chamber, salt chamber, drug chamber. These are the 3 chambers. What happened? The salt is osmotically active agent, osmotic agent, and this water we have to fill device. This is the first developed. Okay, so water to be loaded prior to use of the device. So doctors, what they will do? The doctors will take the device. He will fill the water in the water chamber. After that, they will do a surgery and entire device they will keep inside the sheep. So that what happen? Salt chamber will attract the water and it pushes here. It pushes the drug chamber. So automatically what happen? Delivery of the drug into the sheep. This is the first developed system. But later what happened? There is no water chamber. See, this is second one. Higuch Leeper pump. Higuch Leeper pump. It looks like a rocket. No water chamber. No body. It attracts the body water. That's more than enough. So here you can see this is a magnesium sulfate chamber, just like a common salt. So this magnesium chamber, salt chamber, it attracts the water. So water will go inside. So here there will be one movable separator is there. So it moves. So this is a drug chamber, active drug here. So what happened when it attracts the water, this salt, it is a swelling will be there. So slowly drug will be delivered through this hole, laser made hole. So like that. This is called a Higuch Leeper system. And last one, Higuch theeuwes osmotic pump. You see, this is the initial condition of the device. Of osmotic layer, one layer will be there. This is called a osmotic agent layer, and here you can see the drug, and this is a whole delivery pump drug here. Okay, what happened when this osmotic agent attracts the water from our body? It becomes a swell like this. So whenever it swells, what happened? the drug will be pushed automatically. So because the size, see here, size, thickness, see, observe the thickness here. Okay, due to that, the drug which is present here, it will be through the delivery orifice, it will be slowly, it will be delivered into the body. Okay, this is the thing, same things you have to write in the examination. I will end my session here. Okay, thank you.